up guys? Again, welcome na naman dito sa aking YouTube channel at napakabagong loan up na naman itong pag-uusapan natin itong Cashmoco Loan Philippines, Indian, Californian, Canadian, ewan ko ba kung ano-anong mga nilagay nila dito. Pero ayun na nga, bagong-bago na naman itong Cashmoco Loan Philippines. Napakababa yung star niya. Kaya bubusisihin natin kung paano nga ba ito magpautang kasi ang pambungad ng loan up na ito ay pwede daw tayong makahiram hanggang 80,000 pesos.
But before anything, subscribe na para makasali sa pa-GCash at cellphone giveaways na mai-announce every 25th of the month. Mechanics. 1. Find the 3 words in this video. 2. I-comment ang 3 words in order. 3. Like this video, subscribe, comment, and share. If declined sa bank and other loan apps, pwede niyong subukan yung ibang options. See the links sa description at sa comment section below. Click the link and apply. Disclaimer, try or apply at your own risk.
Pwede nga daw makahiram hanggang 80,000 pesos at may loan terms na 120 to 360 days or 12 months. May daily interest na 0.02%. And with other loan app na kailangan nating maglagay ng ating mobile number, OTP na naman may matatanggap tayo. Kapag na-click mo yung login, congratulations, you get the maximum loan amount you can borrow, 80,000 pesos. Maximum credit ay 80,000 pesos at ayun nga, pwede tayong makahiram from 2,000 to 80,000 pesos at hanggang 12 months daw yung loan terms. Simple process, fast loan at multiple choices. Click lang natin yung apply now. Kailangan nating mag-upload ng isang valid government ID at meron naman daw itong face verification or live test. Ito nga daw yung mga ID na tinatanggap. UMID, TIN, driver's license, PRC ID, postal ID, PhilHealth ID, yung SSS ID, Passport National ID, yung Pag-ibig at Voters ID. Please tell us more about yourself. Yung basic information na kailangan yung masagutan, yung email address nyo daw, personal WhatsApp number starting from 09, and then gender, male or female, age, date of birth, type of employment, year of working, industry, monthly income, yung company name, at yung emergency contact, kailangan daw nating maglagay din dyan. Next nga dito ay kung saan mo gustong matanggap yung loan proceeds. Pwede via GCash, PayMaya, or GrabPay. Ilalagay nyo lang yung number dyan kung saan nyo nga gustong matanggap. Pagka-submit ko ng aking loan application, mga beshies, abay, under review na nga daw yung loan application ko. Ayan, the information you submitted is under review and won't take long. Please pay attention to the review status. If you have any question, please contact our customer service. After pausing, the loan can be repeated and the amount is increasing. So, habang inaantay ko mga beshies na i-process nga nung loan app na ito, ang aking loan application, nag-check ako ulit sa mga reviews or sa mga nag-try na umutang dito at naglagay ng kanilang reviews sa app nga na ito. Abay, puro negative at sana talaga hindi maaprubahan yung loan application ko. Kasi kagaya nung sabi nung isa, I received a text messages twice saying to complete the application here and so I tried to apply. However, after filling out those requires information, no amount show how much I'm able to borrow, it just auto-rejected poor services. Next, wag nyo na download scam to. Kukunin lang infos natin after mag-fill up under maintenance sabay auto-reject. Sabi naman ng isa, puro system under maintenance after you give your information to them. Huwag nyo na i-download. Live testing does not work. What a waste of time. It's a fraud app. Beware. Wala pa akong nakita na nagsabi na na-aprobahan ng kanilang loan application at ganun nga din yung naging experience ko. After ilang minuto, after ilang oras na pag-aantay ko, kaya hindi ko na inasahan kasi ganun din yung nangyari sa iba nga dito, yung nag-try na puro declined or auto-reject at yung mga iba nga hindi gumagana yung live test, diba? So, kagaya ko nga, nung na-submit ko yung loan application ko, wala pa akong natatanggap na message galing nga sa Cashmoco na na-approvehan yung loan application ko. So, yan lang. Bali, share ko lang yung experience ko sa Cashmoco. At huwag nyo na munang subukan ito kasi ayon nga dun sa iba na nakapag-try din, puro auto-rejected at yung mga iba maraming mga hindi gumagana na parang kinukuha nga lang daw yung ating information. Hello mga beshies, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Sana i-like nyo din yung ating video at huwag nyo kalimutan na i-share. Thank you guys at see you on my next video. Bye-bye!
Subscribe na para makasali sa pa-GCash at cellphone giveaways na mai-announce every 25th of the month. Mechanics. 1. Find the 3 words in this video. 2. I-comment ang 3 words in order. 3. Like this video, subscribe, comment, and share. If declined sa bank and other loan apps, pwede niyong subukan yung ibang options. See the links sa description at sa comment section below. Click the link and apply. Disclaimer: try or apply at your own risk.